looking at how we can transfer heat from one place to another. In physics, we call it thermal energy transfer. Thermal energy can be transferred by three various ways. It can be transferred by convection, conduction, and radiation. Let's have a look on conduction. Conduction is the transfer of thermal energy through vibrations of molecules, without any net movement of the substance. Let's study conduction on the piece of metal beam. We will heat metal beam and look what will happen to its molecules. When substance is heated, particles become rich in energy and start to vibrate strongly. The particles bump into nearby particles and make them vibrate. This passes the thermal energy through the substance by conduction, from the hot end to the cold end. This process happens in solids and gases. Now let's move on to convection. Difference between convection and conduction is that convection happens with actual movement of molecules from hotter region to colder region. The movement of molecules creates convection currents. This process occurs only in liquids and gases. And finally, let's have a look on radiation. Radiation is the transfer of thermal energy by emission of electromagnetic radiation. Conduction and convection need moving particles to transfer the thermal energy, but radiation does not. Hence, thermal energy transfer can even happen in space. Radiation is how we can feel the heat of the sun, even though it is millions of kilometers away in space. Black bodies are better radiators and absorbers of thermal energy than transparent and shiny bodies. That is why in sunny and warm countries, most of the vehicles are light colored and not black. Thank you for